Hello, we are making Danish herring. The first thing we need to do is prepare the herring. So I bought a whole lot of herring fillets, and we're going to chop them up into little pieces like that, soak them overnight. I have now rinsed the herring multiple times in cold water and then topped it up in this bowl, which we'll now leave in the fridge overnight, which will remove the rest of the salt. Right, the herring has now been desalted, and now we're going to prepare the sauce. There we have brown vinegar, sugar, oil, pepper, mustard and tomato puree. We're now going to beat the ingredients into a nice tomatoey sauce. I've now cut up some Granny Smith apples and onions, and together we're going to lay them into this jar and then pour the sauce over. Now we're going to pour the sauce into the apple, onion and herring mixture and just give it a stir, put it in the fridge and leave for a couple of days. Start it off. It's got to soak right down. Right, the Danish herring is now completed, and I put it in a jar. You can see it's all mixed together, and then we're going to put it in the fridge now, and the longer you leave it, the actual better. So we'll leave it for 3 days. You could leave it for 5 days, you could leave it for 1 day, but it gets better the longer you leave it. Right, it's going in the fridge now, and we will taste it in a couple of days' time.